आ गया क्या?
So do you all remember? What did Abale say? Abale said, bamboo is useless to us and maybe we should sell him. And after selling him, we should buy another donkey. Or even better, let us buy a horse. Padma was stunned. And now what happened? Vaishali auntie will tell you. So, do you think, Vaishali auntie, is Abale really going to sell bamboo?
I do what is going and what's going to happen in Padma's life, but I'm really waiting for the little ones to come and join so nobody misses this part of the story.
Sharia auntie, your volume is very low. Yes, ma'am.
When everybody goes off, I'll be louder.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Keep it clear now.
रिक्वेस्ट है आप लोगों से, प्लीज माइक म्यूट कर दीजिए, प्लीज माइक म्यूट कर दीजिए आप सब, थैंक यू।
Two more to come. We'll just wait.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, please, your videos have to be off and your microphones have to be off. Deepa, am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay. The auntie started by telling us that Amale and Abale were planning to sell bamboo. Vikun Takanar, you will sell him away. Abale, please, Noko Vikuna, please don't sell bamboo. Please, I really, really love him. I really love him a lot. Abale, मी पद्माला जवळ घेतलं आणि म्हणाले मला माहिती आहे तुला बंबू खूप आवडतो हो की नाही पण Can you all see me? पद्मा खूप रडायला लागली खूप रडत होती ती आबाले प्लीज प्लीज विकू नको ना प्लीज बंबूला विकू नको तिला कसं समजावणार आबालेने तिला जवळ घेतलं आणि सांगितलं हे बघ पद्मा मी तुला सांगितलं आपल्याकडे पैसे नाहीयेत खूप आपण कसं सांभाळणार आपण बंबूला आणि बंबूला खाणं पण कसं देणार खूप कठीण परिस्थिती आहे ग जरा समजून घे मलाही बंबू खूप आवडतो पद्मा खूप रडली त्या रात्री ती जेवली पण नाही शी डिडंट इवन ईट हर डिनर दॅट नाईट शी वेंट स्ट्रेट टू द शेड ती गोठ्यात गेली आणि तिकडे बंबूला अशी मिठी मारून खूप तू सोडून जाऊ नको मला प्लीज बंबू तू जाऊ नको प्लीज रात्रीची वेळ होती Padma cried and she hugged Bambu by his neck. But it was night and Bambu could not see anything. All he did was, he just continued to sit there. Every day was gloomy. Every day was sad. Every day Padma thought that आज तरी बाबा बाबा नाही विकणार ना तू बंबूला, सांग ना मला, मला सांग ना. ती रोज विचारायची बाबांना, पण बाबाचं एक असायचं, सॉरी माझ्या राजा. आबाले नेहमी म्हणायचे सॉरी माझ्या, आपल्याला विकायलाच टू सेल बंबू. 2 weeks passed. सकाळी एकदा पद्मा सगळ्या जनावरांना घेऊन, टेकिंग ऑल द एनिमल्स, शी वेंट अप ऑन द हिल. तिकडे त्यांना चरायला घेऊन गेली, टू ग्रेज. तिकडे कोपऱ्यात बंबू पण चरत होता. पद्मा अशी बघत होती त्याच्याकडे. तू मला सोडणार, यू लीव्ह मी अँड गो, व्हॉट विल आय डू विदाउट यू. आणि परत रडायला लागली. ती खूप रडली. आणि मध्येच तिला ना मागून एक कुणाचा तरी हात जाणवला. शी फेल्ट समबडीज हँड बिहाइंड, जस्ट पॅटिंग टू हर. शी टर्न. स्टॅन्झिन, स्टॅन्झिन, ती म्हणाली. स्टॅन्झिन तिचा चुलत भाऊ होता. स्टॅन्झिन वॉज हर कझिन. ती खूप खुश झाली त्याला बघून. स्टॅन्झिन. आणि परत रडायला लागली. She didn't even realize she started crying. Wept and she wept and she cried a lot. She cried a lot. Stanzin asked her, "What happened? काय झालं ग?" बंबू. बंबू. स्टॅन्झिन म्हणाला, काय झालं? बंबू आजारी आहे का? इज ही सिक? नाही. हो, बंबू आजारी आहे, पण बाबा त्याला विकून टाकणार. Abale is going to sell him. Stanzin asked, काय झालं? काय झालंय त्याला? बंबूला ना त्याला काय म्हणतात, काहीतरी म्हणत होते ते, रात आंधळेपणा, म्हणजे नाईट ब्लाइंडनेस. त्याला रात आंधळेपणा आहे, त्याला रात्री दिसत नाही. स्टॅन्झिन म्हणाला, स्ट्रेंज, दिवसा दिसतं, रात्री दिसत नाही. He can see in the day and not at night. It's really sad. But why does Abale want to sell him? का विकायचंय? आबाले म्हणतात, आता बंबूचा काय उपयोग नाही, तो ट्रेकिंगला नाही जाऊ शकत ना. ते सामान त्याच्यावर घातलं आणि रात्री ना त्याला काही दिसतच नाही, तो असा आंधळा होतो, म्हणून ते विकून टाकणार. आणि परत ती खूप रडायला लागली. स्टॅन्झिन एक ट्रेकर होता. तो ना ट्रेकिंगला जी लोक यायची ना लेह लडाख मध्ये, त्यांना त्यांचा गाईड असायचा. तो सगळीकडे दाखवायचा, सगळे ठिकाण दाखवायचा. ही वॉज अ गाईड फॉर ऑल द ट्रेकर्स. सो ही हॅड अ बिग बॅग ऑन हिज बॅक. त्यांनी ती बॅग खाली ठेवली आणि तो पद्माच्या जवळ बसला. तो म्हणाला, ये इकडे. ही टूक पद्मा क्लोज टू हर. आणि नो समटाइम्स वेन यू आर रिअली सॅड, जेव्हा आपण खूप दुःखी असतो, तेव्हा असं वाटतं की कोणी काही बोलू नका, फक्त माझ्या जवळ बसा. You feel that nobody should talk to you. They should just sit with you, hold you, or give you a hug. Stanzin पण शांत बसला. दोघही समोर बघत होते. They both were looking at the scenery in the front. पिवळी फुलं आणि गवत बघता बघता दोघेही शांत झाले. रडणं बंद केलं. तिने डोळे तिचे पुसले आणि मग ती म्हणाली, स्टॅन्झिन, तू आज रात्री ये ना राहायला. कम टू स्टे ॲट आवर होम टू नाईट प्लीज. स्टॅन्झिन म्हणाला, आय कांट. आय हॅव 2 फॉरेनर्स वर ट्रेकर्स. माझ्या बरोबर आहेत ते. मी त्यांना सोडून येऊ शकत नाही. मी पुढच्या वेळेला येतो. जेवायला ये, प्लीज कम फॉर डिनर. नो प्लीज स्टॅन्झिन. स्टॅन्झिन म्हणाला, सॉरी, मला खूप काम आहे. निघून गेला. रात्री पद्मा she went back to the shed. Every night she went to the shed to spend time with Bambu. उठत गेली आणि बंबूवर असा हात फिरवत होती. माझे सोनाले बंबू, तू नको ना जाऊ, मला खूप प्रेम आहे तुझ्यावर. आणि तेवढ्यात कोणी दार उघडलं. हे पद्मा ऐक. पद्माने बघितलं. स्टॅन्झन, काय झालं? इट वॉज स्टॅन्झन ॲट द डोर. पद्मा, एक काम कर, तू ना बंबूला घेऊन बाहेर ये. माझ्याकडे ना एक आयडिया आहे, युक्ती आहे, आणि तू बरा होईल. यू हॅव एन आयडिया टू क्युअर बंबू? व्हॉट इज इट? डिड आमची टेल यू? डिड यू फाइंड अ मेडिसिन? तुला औषध मिळालंय का? सांग ना मला, सांग आता. औषध नाहीये, माझी आयडिया आहे, माय आयडिया. तू बंबूला घेऊन बाहेर ये पटकन. Quickly bring bamboo out. Padma looked at Stanzin and now she had a smirk on her face. ती हसली. अरे रात्री बंबू हलतो का? तो नाही उठत ना. तू आत ये. Stanzin विसरलो. थांब. Stanzin came in. तो आत आला. त्याने बंबूला मस्त असं धरलं, त्याचा चेहरा धरला. He held his face. And then he removed from his bag. त्याच्या बॅगेतनं त्यांनी काहीतरी काढलं. एक असं रबर बँड सारखा होता, मोठा हेअरबँड असतो ना तसा. तर त्यांनी इथे ते बंबूच्या डोक्यावरती बांधलं. टाईड अ हेअरबँड ऑन बंबूज हेड. कटॅक असं क्लिप लावला आणि टिक असं काहीतरी स्विच दाबलं. आणि स्विच दाबल्याबरोबर स्टॅन्झन म्हणाला, बंबू हेक बंबू. आणि झालं काय? बंबूच्या डोक्यावरती स्टॅन्झननी मोठा टॉर्च लावला होता असा. आणि टॉर्चच्या प्रकाशावरनं, you know what Stanzin had done? He fixed a hairband with a torch on its head. And the moment the bright light fell on the floor, bamboo टुक्कू चालायला लागला. हो? पद्मा इतकी खुश झाली. ती म्हणाली, किती छान आयडिया आहे. हे कसं केलं? हाऊ डिड यू डू इट? यू आर सो ब्रिलियंट. तर स्टॅन्झन म्हणाला, अगं आम्ही ट्रेकिंगला जातो ना, तर उंच डोंगरावर जायला लागतं. वी नीड टू क्लाइंब अप ऑन हिल्स, राईट? सो वी हॅव अ बिग बॅग. आमच्याकडे मोठी बॅग असते, आमच्या हातात काठी असते. वी नीड अ स्टिक टू हेल्प अस वॉक. इट्स अ वॉकिंग स्टिक टू गो अप द हिल. तर मग हातात टॉर्च धरलं तर आम्ही पडणार ना खाली, फॉल. So most of the trekkers wear a light on top of their, like a headlight. I kept thinking of bamboo आणि मला वाटलं चल आपण हे लावूया बंबूच्या डोक्यावरती. आणि वल्ला बंबू मस्त चालायला लागला काळोखात. आणि तो चालत गोठ्याच्या बाहेर गेला. He went out of the shed. So excited. And एवढी खुश झाली, आम्हाले लवकर या बाहेर. She called her parents. They were wondering what happened. आणि धावत सगळे बाहेर आले तर काय, चालत होता बंबू. सगळे खुश झाले, एवढे खुश झाले. आणि स्टॅन्झनची पाठ थोपटली. They went and patted Stanzin on his back and big whack. Abale also gave him on his back and said, "You are brilliant, Stanzin." आणि असा आमचा जो बंबू होता, त्याचं जे नाईट ब्लाइंडनेस होतं ते निघून गेलं, ते टॉर्च लावल्या. मला सांगा, आता सगळ्यांनी आपापले व्हिडिओज ऑन करा बघू. Videos, everybody. मैं एक काम करती हूँ, मैं आई थिंक
आ गए सब.
एक मिनट अमिता, सबको दोबारा म्यूट कर दी.
Yoga today. Tomorrow we.
Hello?
ओके बच्चों लोग, कैसी लगी कहानी? हम सब करके बताओ जिनको अच्छी लगी।
अरे अच्छी तो लगी होगी. Such a cute donkey he was, Bamboo, and poor thing, he had night blindness and now he can see. I'm
Yes,
sure अच्छा लगा होगा.
बिल्कुल.
मला तर खात्री
Wow.
खूप आवडली ही गोष्ट. आणि आता काय करायचं माहितीये का, मी तुम्हाला एक सुंदर चित्र दाखवणार आहे बंबूचं. हे बघा.
वैशाली थोड़ा और पास लाओ. हाँ.
And what do you think Bamboo is doing now? This story is actually inspired from real incidences that Sujata saw when she was in Leh Ladakh. So I'm going to show you some pictures and you all can tell me maybe tomorrow or by sending us an video or something, what is Bamboo doing now? Okay, that is Bamboo, yes. And now without wasting any more time,
Excuse me, Vaishali ma'am.
yes,
Your voice is echoing.
now because somebody's this thing is microphone problem.
Thank you, ma'am.
माइक भी बाकी बच्चे ऑफ कर दे प्लीज.
The mic is echoing.
Yeah, okay, so without wasting any more time, we will start with our Katha Mehfil kids storytelling. Are you all ready? Thumbs up.
कुछ सुन नहीं देखा, सुन नहीं सकते.
They are all saying that. That's what he's giving a sign.
अभी आपको वैशाली सुननी नहीं है. I will just call out one name and you have to come in the front and give a story. Okay?
Do you have kids? मेरा पीछे रखा हुआ मिरर के पीछे.
कर दीजिए प्लीज. शोर आ रहा है कहीं कहीं.
Okay, we are shaking up the name. Pick up a name now. What's the name? Okay, our first storyteller for today is Krish Gupta. If I remember correct, last time Krish was the first one who spoke. Isn't it, Krish? Okay, so we all go mute.
Hello?
Okay, Krish, give us a second. We all go mute. We all turn off our videos, including Vaishali auntie, Namita auntie, everybody. Only Krish, our storyteller, will be here. Krish, we are ready when you are ready. Krish, you can start, my dear.
Can everyone hear me?
Yes, very clear, Krish.
Yes, we can. So today, my name is Krish Gupta. Today, I am going to tell about the. I'm going to tell about. Oh, I'm okay. Does anyone know why we are in a lockdown? Does anyone know why the economy has fallen down? Why everyone the sick people are in quarantine, why the hospitals are full, and why the people are stuck inside their houses? It's all because of coronavirus. I'm going to tell you about a vaccine that Israel has made that is a major tool in defeating coronavirus. First, we have to understand the immune system. For example, you went to the market and you caught a virus or a pathogen or a bacteria. Once it enters your body, it quickly goes into one of your cells and starts multiplying very fast. After it has multiplied a lot, it starts infecting other cells. A body quickly activates its systems to fight, and our body system is called the immune system that helps us fight a disease or anything that enters our body. When the virus enters our body, our body starts sending macrophages. They are very large cells and can kill many bacteria and viruses. These bacteria and virus and they are the first line of defense. Soon they quickly destroy all the bacteria. But as the bacteria have multiplied a lot, it's not easy for them to destroy all of them at once. If the infection is too big for them to handle, they will call the heads of the immune system, which are the dendritic cells. The dendritic cells quickly collect small parts of the viruses or bacteria and take them to the nearest lymph nodes. In the lymph nodes, they activate T cells. These T cells go and activate B cells. Both of them multiply in millions, and the T cells, some of the T cells and B cells become memory T cells and memory B cells. These are the cells that help you fight the virus, the same virus, if it ever, or bacteria that if it again attacks your body in your life again. So after the T cells and B cells are activated, some of them go to the place where the fight is going on between our body and the infection. Soon some of them, the T cells tell the macrophages to keep fighting, and they keep fighting for a very long time. And at the same time, the B cells make many things called antibodies. These antibodies are like lock and keys. They can go and fit in the virus. They fit like lock and keys and can fit on the viruses antigens that are like tiny spikes on the virus's surface. After this, these antibodies can make the virus stuck, and the virus can't move anywhere. So after our B cells have made the antibodies, our T cells tell them to keep making the antibodies until needed. Because they make a lot of them, they can get exhausted very quickly and can die. So the T cells make them work continuously. At this point of time, the antibodies quickly flood in to the battle of infection and quickly attach to the viruses and bacteria, and soon they are stuck and they can't move anywhere, and the macrophage cells go and kill all of them. At the end, a natural killer T cells go and destroy the cells that have been damaged by the virus, and all the cells that have fought the virus commit suicide, so that there is no harm to the body because they are damaged. Just like this, Israel has made a vaccine called monoclonal antibodies. These antibodies just go and stick to the virus's surface, just like our own body's antibodies. These monoclonal antibodies are found in mice, and they are, as I told you, the B cells from mice are able to make these monoclonal antibodies to fight the virus. So the scientists are trying to take the mice's B cells and put them with cancer cells. As cancer cells replicate very fast, a new cell is created. A cell that has both the properties of the B cell and the cancer cell, so it can be made in plenty. And the person who is infected with coronavirus can be given as much doses as he needs. He can be and a lot of and once the antibodies are in the bloodstream, they quickly go and attach to the viruses, and our macrophages quickly go and destroy the virus, and the person gets immunity to the virus. And this is a major tool that will help fight coronavirus. Other popular thing going around is plasma therapy. In this, the person who has been infected by coronavirus and has survived, his antibodies are given to another person to blood transfusion. But only 4 people can be given at a time. And it takes 1 to 2 days for the person to make his antibodies again for the virus. So this method has its own limit. So the monoclonal antibodies is the new invention and will help us fight coronavirus very effectively. The end.
Thank you very much, Krish. That's wonderful. You brought us a lot of information about, the new treatment and the vaccine. I'm sure there were a lot of your friends who were writing, said that you were giving us cool, amazing facts. So maybe you could, think of working on it a little more and share it with the friends who are interested in this topic. Okay. We'll go on.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we'll go on. Thank you so much for sharing your story. It was very, very informative. We'll now go on to the next storyteller. Yes. Adit, can you read out the name, please?
Advait
Advait Paste. Advait Paste. Is Advait Paste in the chat?
Yeah, we are.
Great. So Advait, we are waiting for you to share your story. Everybody else goes on mute and everybody else's camera off. Okay, Advait, ready?
I will read that. So my story is about Ram.
Ask first.
Rama.
Listen to it again.
Can everybody hear me?
I'm sure they can hear you, Advait. You can start.
Okay, start.
My story is about Rama. Why do we celebrate Diwali? We celebrate Diwali because of Ram's return. Ram lived in the jungle for 14 years with his wife Sita and brother Lakshmana. When the wicked king Ravana took Sita away, Rama went to fight a battle. Rama won the battle and he did not have any kingdom but the help of the Vanaras. He won and he returned back to Ayodhya, his kingdom. All the people greeted him with lighted lamps. Now suppose Rama gave up, then we would not celebrate Diwali. Thank you.
Thank you, Advait. It was very nice. I know in the lockdown, the many children have watched Ramayan. So, telling them again is like bringing back the story they have watched over the last few days. That's very, very, very nice.
No. What I done, that the story was too long, so what I done is took that part and then add some bits in it.
That's very smart. Yeah, because Ramayana is so big, we'll have to have Zoom call every day for 40 more days, isn't it? So thank you, Advait, for sharing your story. We'll pick up the next chit. I'll call out the name. The next name is Sara Bhide. Is Sara here?
Yes.
Okay, let me just make one announcement. We've run out of time. We have only 10 more minutes. What we wanted to tell you is there were so many entries. So next week we are going to meet again to have storytelling of many more children. So if we can't complete the number of children today, we will continue it next week. So Sara and maybe one more child can tell a story today. And then the rest again by the lucky draw we'll do next week. Okay? Yes, Sara, ready for you. सुरू कर
Sara, unmute your mic.
माझी गोष्ट आहे एक दिवस होतं एक मोठं जंगल. त्या जंगलात खूप प्राणी राहायचे, खूप बकऱ्या पण राहायच्या. जंगलाच्या टोकाला एक छोटूसा तळ होतं. त्या तळ्याच्या बाजूला एक मोठं उंच नारळाचं झाड होतं. एक दिवशी एक बकरी त्या नारळाच्या झाडाखाली बसलेली आणि सो वारा आला तर नारळ तुटला बड बकरीच्या पाठीवर पडला. बकरी ओरडली नारळ गडगडत गेला आणि डुबुक करून पाण्यात पडला. सो बडबा बर झाली गोष्ट. I can listen now.
So cute.
Given us all a challenge, huh? Sur tadpada bam buduk. बरोबर आहे सारा?
So बडबा बर बुडुक.
All of us try saying this together, okay? And it will be really, really a lot of fun. सारा अजून एकदा सांग बघू.
So बडबा बर बुडुक.
I see. Enjoyed this story. It's so sweet. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you. Ata, I'll take out the next chit. Kavya, can you give me another chit? Yeah. Thank you. The name is Anvi Dedia. Anvi Dedia. Is Anvi Dedia here today?
हाँ उनका माइक तो ऑन है.
Okay, let's
निकी
let's wait for about.
निकी
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can, my dear. I'll turn off my video. You can start.
Yeah. So this story is in Hindi.
Everyone else turn on video.
loudly.
Yeah, so this story is in Hindi and I will start it. So it's about a man who is very कंजूस. एक थे भीखू भाई, बड़े ही कंजूस. एक दिन उनका नारियल खाने का मन हुआ, लेकिन एक परेशानी थी, पैसे खर्च करने पड़ेंगे. बैठकर सोचने लगे, क्या करूं? अच्छा, बाजार तक हो आता हूँ, पता तो चले नारियल कितने में बिक रहे हैं. भीखू भाई बाजार गए. नारियल वाले से नारियल की कीमत पूछी. 4 रुपए का एक. नारियल वाले ने कहा, 4 रुपए? यह तो बहुत ज्यादा दाम है. भीखू भाई ने कहा, 3 रुपए में दोगे? नहीं, मैं नहीं दूंगा. एक मील पर एक 3 रुपए में नारियल मिल जाएगा. भीखू भाई सोचने लगे, टहलने का अच्छा मौका है और 1 रुपए की बचत भी हो जाएगी. पैदल चलते चलते वे मंडी पहुंचे. वहां नारियल की कई दुकानें थी. भीखू भाई ने एक रुपए, यह तो बहुत महंगा है. भीखू भाई पैदल चलते चलते वहां पहुंचे. वहां एक दुकानदार से नारियल की पूछी. 2 रुपए का एक. नारियल वाले ने कहा, 2 रुपए? मैं तो इसका 1 ही रुपया दूंगा. बोलो, 1 रुपए में देते हो? नहीं. सामने वाले नारियल के पेड़ पर चढ़ जाओ और जितने चाहो ले लो, मुफ्त में मिल जाएंगे. भीखू भाई खुशी से फूले न समाये. वे जल्दी से नारियल के पेड़ पर चढ़ गए. दोनों हाथ से एक नारियल पकड़ा, जोर का झटका दिया. तभी भीखू भाई के पैर फिसल गए. फिर क्या था, वे धड़ाम से समुद्र की रेत पर आ गिरे. भीखू भाई अपने को संभाल ही रहे थे कि एक बड़ा सा नारियल उनके सिर पर आ गिरा, बिल्कुल मुफ्त. Thank you.
Very nice, very nice.
Very nice.
much.
Very
But
nice.
those there were those stories in which we had nariyals falling, huh? Very nice.
Smiley,
My dear children, thank you very, very much for joining in today. Since there are only 3 minutes left of this meeting, we will try
क्या नाम था उसका?
next week.
निधि.
I want to take
दे-
you to
क्या नाम?
the surprise.
छोड़ो ना.
क्या हुआ?
To the children who have sent their audio stories, you all are going to come in the morning in the WhatsApp message the way we all say, hello बच्चों, आप सुन रहे हैं कथा महफिल. So along with the stories of Deepa, Vaishali and Deepa, me and Namita, one story of each child will be posted every day for you all to listen. Isn't that wonderful?
Yes.
Yes.
Great. Very good.
And I will see all of you.
Yes.
Vaishali ma'am. Yes.
Okay, so one story from us and one story from the Katha Mehfil Kids Stars. Okay, all
Vaishali auntie, I have already mailed you story.
I know, I have everybody's story.
Yes, Vaishali auntie. We mailed you the story.
We have received everybody's stories and we'll be putting everybody's stories along with our stories every day that you can enjoy.
Send one today.
Sorry?
Will you send one today?
No, I like the stories today.
Okay, you like two stories. Oh, you got ghee, churao, ghee, swaha. You got that story, right? Then you got 2 and you got 3 more stories. You got 5. Now you're behaving like you know who? Very, very lucky people. Like the ghee churao man. My daughter is saying that you're behaving like ghee churao man. So 5 stories for today.
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
क्या बोल रही है वो कह रही है आज 5 कहानियां मिल गई और तो बदतमीजी हो जाएगी फिर पेट दुखेगा तुम्हारा.
ज्यादा खा लो तो पेट दुखेगा तुम्हारा.
तो कल से हम दुनिया
Can hear you.
like okay, you stay in touch and you send us so many of your paintings, pictures, ideas. Keep sending them. Today we had 51 children participating. So all of you turn off your mics and quickly clap before we go off. Otherwise Zoom turns us. All of you make us amazing. So we are the stars and you are the rock stars. Okay, bye bye everyone. Bye bye.
Bye, Vaishali auntie. Bye, Vaishali auntie. Bye, Vaishali.
Thank you.
Bye, Vaishali ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, Vaishali ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, Kavya. Bye, Vaishali auntie.
Bye, Kavya.
Bye, Kavya. Bye, Kavya. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.